Place it. No. The E one.
We're going to open the letter E.
It's an N. The letter E. Mom.
Yes, baby? Your hair's a mess.
No. I thought I'm busy.
You're busy?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm busy. Let's go be excited, Mom. Let's go be excited. Let's go be excited, Mom.
Is this going to be exciting?
Yes, let's go be excited.
All right.
Okay. No further.
All right.
Oh, where's get this?
Let's see what we have.
Yay!
What shape is that?
I'm trying. This is a circle.
That's a circle. Good job. Next egg. Okay, I got it. What egg are you going to open up next?
I gotta open the B one.
The B. All right. Okay. That's okay. Just open the egg. Open it. Get in there. All right. All right. Yeah. Good job. Yes.
The purple one.
Okay. All right. Let's open up that egg. Yay. Let's see what's in there.
Yeah, we got a heart.
We got a what?
We got a heart.
A heart.
Yay, a heart.
Yay. What egg is next?
We gotta open the O one.
The O one. Okay. What color is that egg?
It's green.
It's a green egg. All right, let's dig right in. Go ahead. Okay.
And now we gotta open this.
Come on, come on, come
Lego.
on. Let's crack it open. All right. Let's see what we got inside. All right. What shape is that?
It's an oval.
It's an oval. Yay.
Stop trying.
Yay. It's hard to see. Here, let me put it here. That's an oval.
Put it there, Mom. Put it there.
Okay, I put it there. Here, let's open up the next egg.
Okay.
What letter?
What letter is that?
I can't see. What letter is it?
It's an I.
It's an I. And what color is the egg?
Yellow.
All right, let's get right in there. Let's open it up. Okay, got it.
Mom, put it down.
Okay, I'll put it down. Go, open it. Okay. Okay. Let's crack that egg open. What did we get?
We got a triangle.
A triangle.
An oval.
Wow, next to the oval. And we have one more egg to open. What egg is that?
It's
What letter is it?
N.
An N. And what color is that egg?
Orange.
Orange. Got it. Got it. Got it.
What?
Go ahead, open it. Open it.
There we go. Let's go.
What is it? A square. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Let's see all your shapes. What shapes are they?
Triangle.
Triangle. What else?
No, Mom.
That's it?
Let me see it.
Okay. Say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.